things in Igbo and their meaning in English. So, ihe na gekpo ihe no in my room. Ihe ndị nọ na room m. So, m na gekpo ya n'Igbo. Kpọkwa ya na ihe a na-akpọ ya na English. So, m ga-ebidogodi na phone m ji. Phone is being called ekwentị. Then, what again do I have in my room? I have mirror. Mirror is being called enyo. Then I have book. Book is being called akwụkwọ. I have table. Table, we call table okpokoro. We call table okpokoro. Then in my language may not be actually central, but then we have chair. We call chair in my Igbo ochi. Then what again do I have in my I have comb. We call comb mbo. That's what we call it. And then I have lights. We call lights oko. I have power bank. I don't know what they call power bank in Igbo. Then we have rapper. We call rapper aqua. Then I have Bible. We call Bible. Hey, please, if you know what Bible is in Igbo, please drop it in the comment section. I have fan. What do we call fan in Igbo? I know how fan is. Please, what do they call fan in Igbo? Please drop it in the comment section. I have my speaker here. I don't know what they call it. Please help me to drop it in the comment section. What again do I have here? I have cream. We call cream in Igbo Ude. So these are some of the things in my room that I can actually remember what is being called in Igbo. Please just help me to drop in the comment section if you know.